Hi guys, so we have our scanner here. So if it is that you have gotten your building application approved, right, and you want to take a step further to secure your drawing, most people, what they do is they get their building approved and they may have done construction, the drawing get destroyed. With our scanning services, what you can do to protect your drawing is scan your approved building plan with the necessary stamps on it. Of course, the parish council would have stamped your drawing. What you can do is scan your building plan and save it electronically. So this right here is our scanner. We offer that service where you can scan your drawings, save it, maybe email it to yourself, and from there you can print whenever you want. You can email it to whoever you need to email it to so that they have a copy of it. The possibilities are endless as it relates to that. You know, just to be able to have your building plan. Imagine 20 years from now, you need to pull back your set of building plan. The printed set probably would have gotten disintegrated. Paper fade over time, they get destroyed over time. In some cases, a hurricane may have passed and your drawings got destroyed. The good thing is, with the scanned copy, you can always print it again and you just have it. And of course, we offer the printing services. So this is just an addition to our services that you might not have known about. So I'm just letting you know, if it is that you have your building plan and you want to preserve it, to make sure you have a copy of it, you know, check out AJAWI Printing, where you can get your building plan scanned and saved electronically, emailed to you, or even printed again, right, to get a decent copy. You know, reach out. All right, we're located at shop number 3, 4 Springvale Avenue, Kingston 10. We're open from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Our team is always here to assist you, whether you're printing your building plan for the first time or you have an approved set that you want scanned and saved. You can send it over to our team and we'll be happy to assist you.